face so soft and looks so edible. Can I touch? Can I touch? So soft, so soft. Can I have a taste? Can I? Can I have a taste? Let me taste again. It is actually so tasty, but I think it needs a little bit of seasoning. Just one or two out there, just to season it and make it taste better. Okay, so let me go ahead and season. I have the oil. I have oil here. So let me add a little bit of it on your face. Oil, oil, oil. And I'll go ahead and turn it. Let me taste. Let me taste your mouth. More seasoning. I have the curry powder. Smells nice. I'll just put a sprinkle on it. Sprinkle. Then I'll done. Done. Your cheeks. rice to boil a little. In our garden. So delicious. Eat your nose. Scratch, 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 scratch.